Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Lesson 14 Plants Continued. Children, in the previous lesson, we learned about different parts of a plant. Now, let us see. Today, we are going to learn about how do we use plant in our lives. Children, now open your EVS book and let us turn to page 88. Plants we use. Yes, plants have many uses in our life. We get most of our food from plants like cabbage, maize, orange, rice, grapes, onion, and so on. Now, the furnitures that you see all around your house, maybe cupboard, chair, bed, table, all these are made of wood. And from where do we get wood, children? Yes, we get wood from plants. Now, children, the clothes that you wear, shirt, pant, all this, we get it from plants. Now, some plants, children, are used as medicine and they are known as medicinal plants. Now, the medicinal plants are tulsi, mint, ginger, clove, and methi are few examples of medicinal plant. Now, children, the fruits that we eat, where do these fruits come from? Yes, the fruits come from plants, and fruit can be both fleshy or dry. Now, example of fleshy fruits are mango, apple, guava, grapes, pineapple. Dry fruits are almond, cashew, raisins. Now, children, turn to page 89. It says vegetables we eat. So, children, in your lunch and dinner, you all have vegetables. And all these vegetables, from where do you get? Yes, we get it from plants. Let us see some of the examples of vegetables. They are potato, radish, carrot, chili, brinjal. And now in winter, there are some good vegetables that we get. They are cauliflower, cabbage, pea, etc. Children, remember that potato, radish, carrot grows underground. Now, children, as we know, we get fruits, vegetables from plants. There are also other parts of the plant that we use as a food. Different parts of a plant that are eaten as food are called edible parts. Now, let us look at some edible parts of a plant. Leaves. Example of leaves are cabbage, spinach, mint, coriander. Now, next edible parts are the fruits. Now, children, here tomato, is taken as a fruit. We eat it as a vegetable. Then, next fruit is banana, papaya, orange, apple, and so on. Now, next edible part of a plant are seeds. The seeds that we eat: wheat, rice, maize, bajra, pulses, and so on. Children, on the blank page, you will draw name, Color any two vegetables that grow underground. The sample is shown here. You can follow it. Now children, in the next page on the top hand side, write the date. Lesson 14. Topic plants. Question C. Who am I? Number 1. I am a fruit, but you eat me as a vegetable. Number 2. I am brown and grow underground. Number 3. I am used as a medicine. My name begins with the letter T. Number 4. I am a fruit. My name begins with the name of a tree. Number 5. I am the national fruit of India. Children, now write the answer and then we will discuss and check it out. Hope children, you all have written the answer. Now it is checking time. Let us check the answer. So number 1, I am a fruit but you eat me as a vegetable. What did you write? Write tomato. 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 Number 2, I am brown and grow underground. It is your favorite vegetable. Yes, potato. 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 Number 3, I am used as a medicine. My name begins with the letter T. What it is? Tulsi. 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 Number 4, I am a fruit. My name begins with the name of a tree. Guess? Yes, pineapple. Pine. Pine. Apple. Pineapple. Pine is the name of a tree, children. Okay, number 5. I am the national fruit of India. Guess? Apple? No. Orange? No. Yes, mango. 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 Children, now your EVS lesson 14 ends here. You are going to read page 88 and 89. You will do this work in your EVS exercise book. Do the drawing neatly and write with a beautiful handwriting. You are going to learn all the spellings of fruits and vegetables that are there on pages 88 and 89. Thank you.